Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Yes, it's Tube. Yes, I have changed my name from SS JBL Fam to SS Tube. And today we are going to do the unboxing of JBL T 110 BT wireless headphones which I have PO bars. I have done the unboxing first only. I am just roughly packed them and I am going to show you what's in the box and how is the sound quality, and I am going to tell you the features of them. So here is the box. As you all can see, it has a good orangish internal finish. The headphone color is gray. You can see the 110 batching over here. Bluetooth, JBL Pure Bass sound, Sun, JBL Pure Bass, I don't know what it is. 6-hour battery life, recharge battery 2 hours, 6 hours, I don't know what is it written. 3-button remote with microphone. Okay, it's written in some other language. And magnetic cable, magnetization. Okay, magnetic cable it is. Okay, what is in the box? Headphone pair, wires, extra cups, owner's manual, and yes, I don't know what is it. Okay, on the other side of the box it is wireless, JBL batching, earphones batching, and I've got it for the same price on retail shop of JBL and the same features. Let's open it. Okay, after unboxing there is nothing in the box. Here are the extra ear cups. Let's keep them aside. And here comes the main earphone unit. Okay, it's tightly packed over here. As they say, it is a magnetic wire, but it is not. The magnets are over here on the main driver units. You can paste them both like this and they are pasted. If you hold just one, the other one will be stick to it. I thought it will be a short wire, but it is too long, as you all can see. Here is something JBL Bluetooth headset. Okay, and you get a charging cable over here. So charging cable build quality is a bit good. Let me open it. Okay, it's not getting off. Okay, it's came. You get the JBL batching over here and over here, and charging cable is also stripped shaped like the earphones. On one side you get, I think this is a extra battery. Yes, this is a extra battery. When you plug in the charging cable over here, it will charge both this battery and one small battery over here. Now let's just connect the phone to the JBL earphones and start the music up. For that I have to bring the phone here. I'll just bring it. Okay, I have got the phone. Let's just open it and turn on the Bluetooth settings, and let's turn on the earphones. Okay, it's flashing. As you all can see, the light is glowing here, and here search for devices. You all can see here JBL T 110 BT. Okay, it's connected. The light was blinking, now it's glowing constant. And let's play the song. And CS release. Okay, which one should I play? Sorry for the vibrations, guys. I'll just insert release high. Okay, and let's play it. The volume is max over here. Let's max in it here. Where is the button? Okay, here. Okay, I think it is max. The song has changed. I'll just bring the headphones over here. I hope you all can hear from the MIC. So this is what in today's video. I hope you liked it. Then hit that like button, subscribe our channel, and leave a comment below.